Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's edition of our short video on the Howard Center with Ozion at Kunie. Still your regular host and anchor on this your favorite health program on the internet, Ozion the Expressionist, Akobi JDK Ozion. So on this day we have to treat allergy, having done the full videos, interactive and the rest of them. Today we want to know what exactly is allergy, and that goes point like this. Allergy is simply the response of your immune system to certain allergens. Allergens are materials or substances that trigger your immune response such that it begins to show or manifest certain symptoms on your body. On your skins, you see certain things like eczema. Eczema is a kind of allergic response, and this actually begins to show because it's oversensitivity, or you call it hypersensitivity of your immune system. Those things that normally would not have to happen to someone else when they use it or perceive or experience certain kind of environmental material or pollen that triggers the allergy, which is the allergen that triggers the allergy in other people. When it happens to you, it gives you those signs and those symptoms. If those symptoms manifest in your body, then your body really have that kind of sensitivity that presents this particular disease condition. Does allergy really come with fever? No. Someone who is having allergic reaction, it is not really with fever, but it can come with a lot of other symptoms that make you feel very, very confused, weak. How? Because it has to do with respiratory. It affects both your nasal, mucosal, like GI, things like that, even your gut areas, going down your eye. It goes through the parts that you have fluid in your body. So those are the things. And when it comes to the extent that it becomes very worse, things like venom, some kind of ants or whatever that gives you, like, bee stings. We find someone suffering from a condition known as anaphylaxis, a higher level of that uh, allergy. So allergic reactions have different degrees, but normally we have it coming from different kind of things: food you eat, environment you are, might have pets, dander, and even a cockroach being in your room can cause you allergy, depending on the person. You know, food like soy, like milk, like egg, depending on which one. But you need to identify to be able to desist from this kind of food and still enjoy your meal without having certain reactions that either they cause you those things, or they give you those kind of nostril inflammation, or give you kind of sneezing, certain kind of reactions that affects your mucosal areas, even in your stomach, giving you certain reactions. This is because of the smooth wall and mucus down there, to even your eye could be itching, and you will be needing certain medications to attend to them. So to prevent you having certain symptoms and using medications, you will need to earlier avoid those things that trigger your allergic reactions. So understanding ourselves is the very first thing. And you would ask, why does this happen? And to those it happens, it could be familiar, because when certain things that are just ordinary happens to you and your immune runs faster than that of others, sometimes it has a link from your what you call genetic mutation and familiar link, as well as some other things that might cause you that. Medications can equally cause you that. Disease, you might have suffered from, have a certain kind of disease condition, autoimmune, might make you trigger that kind of situation. And when this exists in your body, you may not know. If you know, the main thing you need is to find those allergens. Is it the pollens? Is it the mites? Is it the kind of environment you are, maybe the foam you sleep, and other things that I would, or you'll see on the screen here. So I would like you to ask questions on this particular topic. But simply, allergy or allergic reaction is a condition where your body responds, a body's immune system responds quickly and faster than an ordinary person or every other person.